Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you and welcome. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I am a Canadian TESOL certified English teacher. I've been teaching ESL since 2015 in both traditional classroom setting and online through group and private sessions in Canada. I help adult learners and international professionals improve their English through CELPIP, IELTS, TOFEL, workplace communication, job interviews, visa interviews, and real-life confidence in the workplace. Before becoming an ESL teacher, I also worked as an early childhood educator in Canada. This experience taught me how important clear, direct, precise, yet friendly communication is in professional environments. And it helped me to understand the challenges international professionals might face when adapting to a new workplace and work culture. I also studied in France during my adolescence and grew up as a third culture kid. Because of my own multilingual experiences, I understand how demoralizing and challenging it can be to organize your thoughts, switch between languages, and express your ideas naturally in English. So I use this understanding to help my students to communicate more effectively and fluently. So in our sessions, we don't need to study grammar or memorize answers. We don't need to use the worksheet, information gap. We can just use it as a review. Our main focus would be practical communication, meaning we practice high frequency words using the podcast, current news, or YouTube videos. We can focus on fluency first and narrow down to accuracy, meaning I can have you to speak it and I give you an upgrade. And the exam strategy based on your learning needs and desired scores. The workplace situation, for example, briefing, presenting your ideas, follow-up questions, clarifications, and personalized feedback based on the performance standard and descriptor, and so on. So in our trial lesson, we will discuss your learning needs, your interests, and your current level using the placement test and create a learning plan just for you. My teaching style is supportive, organized, and personalized. All students will receive a Google file up on the trial lesson. So I teach English only and work with adult learners age 21 or above. So if you're ready to improve your English and for your career, exam, or small talk at work, I am happy to help you. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.